Welcome to Mom MD Hawaii. Today we're going to go over how to personalize a wallet using heat transfer vinyl, also known as Iron-On vinyl. And the wallet that we're going to make is super cute. It is a Quicksilver brand and it is black and gray, so something a little bit more plain because you're going to personalize it and fancy it up with your own design. In this case, my son requested getting a dragon design, and I have his friend's name on there as well. And the first thing you're going to do is put it on a easy press mat, and I love my easy press mat. It does help to keep the heat in a little bit better. It gives it a nice solid surface to iron onto, and the Iron-On here is white Cricut brand everyday Iron-On. Using my heat press, we're going to press this for 15 seconds at 320 degrees. I always put a teflon sheet in between the heat press and whatever I'm ironing on. That's to protect what you're ironing as well as to protect your easy press. So after 15 seconds, we're going to take a look and make sure it's adhered well and take off that nice clear carrier sheet that is right on top of it. So peel gently away. This is a warm peel, so you do want to peel it when it's still warm. Then I'm going to place the Teflon sheet back on top of there again, and gonna iron on again with my heat press for another 15 seconds at 320 degrees. If you're doing this with the Easy Press Mini, then you want to put it on the highest setting for the same amount of time for 15 seconds. I always repress my design after taking off the carrier sheet. This just makes sure that your Iron-On heat transfer vinyl is really secure and on there, and so it won't come off. And so we're done, and we can fold this close, and you can take a feel and see how that's turned out. And then you can see that the heat transfer vinyl is really on there very well. And so this is just another quick and easy project in order to personalize a gift for your children or their friends for birthdays. This is perfect. Thank you so much for watching Mom MD Hawaii. Please like and subscribe for more. Please let me know if there's any questions that you have in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.